Making money online is hard, but it's not impossible. In this video, I show you how you can make money walking and never have to leave your house. I'm gonna share with you my secret strategy for making $100 or more per day just by walking. I've been able to replace my income with just an hour or two of walks, and I want to show you how you can too. So, watch the video all through, check the description for amazing money-making hacks, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now, let's jump to our today's video. Ever wonder how some people are able to make so much money just by walking? This is a live walkthrough of how I was able to make $100 or more per day walking. It's easy to set up. All you need is a phone and you can start making money in minutes. There is no skill or experience required, and you could be making $100 or more per day walking. I'll show you a free app called StepN. StepN is a GPT app that pays you to walk, jog, or run outdoors. It's a legitimate app since you can make money by using it as you walk, jog, or run. It can be downloaded from both the Android and iOS app stores, and it's also very easy to use. If you want to make money using this app, you'll need to buy a digital pair of sneakers. Once you've bought your NFT sneakers, you can now use the app when you go out for a run, walk, or jog. When you walk, jog, or run, open the app and hit start. Walk, jog, or run to earn. The amount you may earn depends on the NFT sneakers you buy, so choose wisely. Also, note that you'll only earn when you have in-game energy. This energy will recharge every 6 hours, and the most energy you can have depends on the NFT sneakers you use. As you can see, the kind of NFT sneakers you use, whether you walk, run, or jog, greatly affects your app earnings. Before buying NFT sneakers, learn their features. You may also earn by renting your NFT sneakers to other app users. It's a simple way to earn. You may rent your NFT sneakers for a certain amount. The member who leased your NFT sneakers may use them to earn by playing the app. You earn GST through playing. You may convert GST to cryptocurrencies thereafter. No threshold is needed. You may convert GST to any crypto anytime. If you wish to cash out, send converted profits to your crypto wallet. In the end, don't forget to check the description box to earn big money instantly, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.